For a 3,300 square foot house with 2 air conditioning or heat units, a generator with a minimum output of 15,000 to 20,000 watts is recommended to run the entire house comfortably. To connect the generator to the house, you will need the following. Firstly, a transfer switch with 200 amps disconnects. Install a transfer switch in the house near the main electrical panel. This will allow you to safely transfer power from the grid to the generator and back. Secondly, an interlock kit. An interlock kit is used to prevent backfeeding into the utility grid when the generator is in use. Thirdly, a generator subpanel. Install a subpanel in the storage building where the generator will be located. This will house the circuit breakers for the generator output. Fourthly, main breaker panels. You can install 2 main breaker panels in the house, each connected to one of the 200 amps disconnects in the transfer switch. You will also need wiring. From the subpanel in the storage building, you will need to run the following. Firstly, 200 amps feeder cables. 2 feeder cables from the subpanel to the transfer switch in the house. Secondly, a grounding wire. A grounding wire from the subpanel to the grounding rod at the house. Now for the connections. Connect the generator output to the generator subpanel in the storage building. Connect the feeder cables from the subpanel to the transfer switch input terminals. Connect the grounding wire from the subpanel to the grounding rod. By following these steps, you can safely connect the generator to the house and provide backup power to the entire property.